Hi, in this video I'm looking at solving this problem here, where we've got a restaurant that offers a choice of 3 entrees, 5 mains and 6 desserts. And we want to know how many different ways a diner can choose just an entree and a main, or an entire 3-course meal. So if we think about the first one, so we look about A, we have 3 entrees and we have 5 mains. If we think about this in terms of a tree diagram, so if I first select that entree, then we have the choice between entree 1, 2, or 3, whatever they might be. And then if I was to select the main, for my first entree option, I still have 5 options for my main, so I can select option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. For my second option of an entree, I still have the same 5 choices for a main, so I can do that same. I've still got the same 5 options: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the same would be for the third. So if we're having a look at the options that are available, I've got 1, 1, so whatever the first entree is, whatever the first main is, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and 1, 5. So 5 options there. I'm then going to have another 5 options here: 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 2, 5. And then I'll have another 5 options for the third one. So in total, I'd have 3 groups of 5. So our total number of options is 3 lots by 5 lots. So I got 3 lots of 5 options, which gives us a total of 15. And that's what the multiplication principle of combinatorics is about. If you've got so many ways of doing one thing and so many ways of doing another, then in total you've got the product of those 2 ways of doing both of them combined. So even if I didn't want to do a tree diagram, I could just go for entree and a main. I've got 3 entrees, 5 mains, multiply them together, and I've got 15. Doing that for the 3-course meal, the principle just extends out. You just keep multiplying. I've got 3 options for an entree, 5 options for a main, and then another 6 options for dessert. And if I work all of that out, that gives me a total of 90 different dinners that can be chosen just with a 3-course meal. So there we have it. That's how the multiplication principle works. If you have so many ways of doing something, so many ways of doing something else, you want to know how many ways they combine, you simply multiply.